Morning. Let me see, tag everyone live on in Discord. Welcome back to the new live of today, Tuesday, after CPA data. So it's a special day today. A lot of news came out, big news, and we have to evaluate where we are in the chart. And already we can see already big here, 8.5 spike, 670. We went to up to 820. First of all, we have to check the daily chart. Let's evaluate the daily chart, and then we evaluate where we have to take some bias, if we have to take some bias, and let's evaluate the situation. Step by step, no need to rush. This chart is still loading. Come on. Can you? Come on. What the heck? By the way, the same time I'm gonna say tomato. Welcome back, my friend. Miss the news. The good PI is probably gone. Let's see. It's oh my god! All-time highs are there. Daily, we took the daily high of yesterday, but we have a beautiful push from the news. We skyrocket. We come back. All-time highs are still there above. That's very interesting. Support, we have it. Look at this support, 600 level, 600 level, great level here. Support yesterday, support today, 600 level. Crucial area where we have to be careful of not going short against it, but instead probably look for longs. Good morning, Blaz, Hola Capo, Andy, good morning. Mohammed, good morning. Good morning, guys. Let's get ready. And can you see my live, right? I guess this time is working correctly. At least, is it working correctly? Did you from your certificate yet? Not yet. It's gonna happen. You still have that things, huh? My God, why is this freaking chart is taking 1 hour to load? And right now I have a freaking delay of 10 seconds. Come on, Quant Tower. I don't know what's happening with Quant Tower in the last period with me, but maybe I should uninstall the app and install it again. Absolutely insane. Can you see, guys, everything? The live stream is working. Can you confirm me? Any one of you, Mohammed, Tomato, Andy, Bloods. Yeah, this shit is not working, guys. It's working, Capo. Beautiful. Yeah, let's go. Why this chart is not loading? Why? No data display in chart? What the heck are you saying? Now I lost. What the heck is happening today? Connecting to Rithmic service. I lost connection. I lost connection. That's why it was not working. Now reconnecting. Yes, good, perfect, guys. Fayaz, good morning. Afonso, good morning, guys. Right now, reloading. The chart is connecting. Chart gone. Yeah, chart is gone. Connecting to Rithmic service. Let me cancel it and reconnect to a different servers. Big down candle. Okay, that's. Oh, wait me. I have web chart that, of course, is working. Apex Europe. I'm gonna change it to Apex Frankfurt. Okay, Apex Frankfurt server is much better. Okay, it's loading right now, loading the positions. And the chart should show up really soon. And it's out, perfect. Loading orders. At the same time, you can see it here. I'm having my web chart here on the right. So it's loading there. At the same time, let's evaluate how we want to see this. We say the 600 level is the most critical one. The news really pushed very strong, and does it want to come back and catch up with the news? We're gonna see first. 700 yesterday was a great level. 700 yesterday came out to be a great level of scalping quite a few times. You can see it from this area. At the same time, my Quant Tower is still freaking catching up. So right now the candle is back to green. Still early anyway. My chart is still loading. Okay, our chart is back. So first of all, I want to check this is the big level at 600. Then we have a level here at 680. Even I would say 700 would be even better. But we have this something here that has been used as a support resistance. So we're gonna keep it there. This as well on this pre-market opening. This 770.80. That's very interesting. That what is that is above the opening print level. Above the opening print level. Well, no, even more than above the opening print level. This is very interesting situation. All-time highs are there. Very, very interesting. If we're above the 780 here, we're looking only for longs. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart is loading. I take a little bit of time. Very nicely pushed right now there. Very beautiful push. 39 is gonna be my profit target again today. Good morning, Reddy. I'm looking. This freaking chart is not loading, guys. I'm getting pissed. It's not a big of an issue because I'm not missing any trades, but I don't understand. It's Wi-Fi is working well. OBS did not miss any frame. So it's something about Quantower right now that pisses me off. Data is loading. How the heck is loading for that long? 0%. Okay, finally, we're ready, guys. See this area at 770, 780? That's beautiful area. We can play probably some beautiful retest there. Opening print level just here. No, 735, that's here. That's the opening print level. This is the first candle. That's beautiful. I'm gonna remove this black one. Okay, 780 can be a quick retest and to continue higher. It can be a quick risk there. I like the daily chart. Oh my god, we're so pushy. I'm gonna try that very quick at 780. I'm gonna try to get a quick long there. Quick retest and continuation. Okay, I'm feeling long and I don't freaking know where I am. Am I already out of the position? No. Wow, super slow. Super slow. Ah, free contracts. I messed up with the amount of contracts there. I'm gonna add 770. Great, man. You're up already very nicely. I'm using this 770, 780 as a level, but I have to call it quick if this does not hold. And this is playing with us. Oof. Let's see. This is a beautiful push. I'm still liking it. I'm a bit aggressive, but I like the long idea. It's trying to catch up right now and come back above. Come on, give us out from these free contracts. Take us there at 779. He wants to do it. He tried to get me out at 780. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Gonna get 770 again. If we get filled, unfortunately, the one contract is not in there. I will try to get filled again at 2 contracts at 780 if it wants to fill me. It doesn't want. We're out for the moment. 3 contracts. We should have been already with 6 contracts, but that's good anyway. That's good anyway. That's very good. Good job, West Tomato. Let's let's get it today. Execution process is the priority. P&L is not. Right? P&L is not. Let's keep going. How we should trade. Hold until all-time highs. I love that idea as well, to be honest. All-time highs are not far at all. It's that 848 is all-time highs. 780 here holding. If it wants to come back to retest 780, I will get them. I will get them. Do we have news at 9:45, guys? Good morning, Saywan, our Mufti. I'm gonna put that at the 780, and at the same time, I'm gonna check if we have news today, guys. On Tuesday, we have news, not anymore. We don't have news after the CPI. Still didn't take a trade. We'll see how it tracks at all-time highs. That's perfect. That's good as well. If there is no setup, there is no trade to take. Beautiful. That's execution, that process. That's how you evaluate your day, right? You evaluate your day based on execution and process. If there is no trade, there is no trade. Keep it up. Keep it up. I'm looking for the scalp again at 780. If it comes and get me, it's a beautiful area here. 780, 1780 here. Beautiful. I'm liking it. It's trying to push to get these pre-market highs. I'm gonna get filled, good chance. Good side, we're up $80 for the moment. And guys, there is a new video out that is the weekly recap of last week. Just remember to leave a like. Beautiful area. Yeah, this is a beautiful area here. 770, 80s maximum. Even 770 is the best level there, or 60s. 60, no, 70 is literally the best. But right now it's going. It's going. It's gone. It's gone. 50 minutes range is coming in 4 minutes as well. So we're gonna have a beautiful 50 minutes range. It's huge. It's gonna be huge 50 minutes range. $50 minutes range here. Why my chart is why? I'm gonna uninstall and reinstall Quantower today. I really don't understand why it's doing that fix of. Sometimes it really blocks itself for a few seconds. Until we don't take the highs of pre-market, the longs are there. Longs are good, are interesting. 800s are there just. The 50 minutes range is closing itself at the 800s for the moment. Tough level there at 800s. It's looking interesting, right? $7.10 per kilometer. That's good. That's the hardest run to do, to be honest, because mentally it's like so slow, and you know it's gonna take you more than 1 hour to do the freaking 10K, but you know it's good for your stamina and everything. Okay, we might use this 800 as a retest area. We're closing. We're flying right now. CPI was a positive news for the moment for the market. Yes, yes. They are, unfortunately. I've done it a few times. Oh my god, so boring. So freaking boring. Especially when people pass you and you're there like, I can be faster than you, but I have to hold it. So freaking hard. We are pulling back right now. 780 is still there for me. At 630, great, man. I love that. 15K, easy. Easy 15K there. Today I'm not gonna run, but tomorrow I wish to do, there is a beautiful run here in Tenerife I wanna do. I got feel long somewhere. Oh my God. This quant tower is so freaking slow. I have to, that sucks so much. Oh. Wow. Wow, I got destroyed there, guys. I got destroyed. Good loss for the moment. Wow, good loss. Ooh, I could have getting destroyed much more than that. I cannot trade with this quant tower. No, that's not okay. Yeah, no, I cannot trade like this. With quant tower being that did shit. Look, how can I be freaking 6 seconds delay? That's what she said. Now look at that. That's insane, guys. That's freaking insane. Happily down only $187. Happily down only $187. Wow. I don't understand what's happening to Quant Tower. I'm gonna uninstall the application today or tomorrow. Today before tomorrow lives. Look at that, still stacked, and WealthChart is working correctly. So right now WealthChart is showing me that we are at 753, 754, 740, but Quant Tower is blocked. Quant Tower is blocked. $16,000 plus contracts in 1 minute. That's insane, guys. Glad I did not get filled at the bottom here. Phew. It sucks anyway, but I have a great connection. Connection is great, man. It's Quant Tower. I don't understand why Quant Tower is doing that. No, I mean OBS is telling me that it's great. Let me see. I'm gonna do a speed test. Let's do a speed test. Maybe it's connection now that let's see. Download is not the fastest right now. Now that I can confirm that. Upload is great. Download is not the best. So that's why upload, I think live stream is good. Download is not the best, but it should be enough to trade. Like WealthChart is working so well. So right now we're catching up. 50 minutes range is over. If we break this 50 minutes range on the lower side, then we're gonna retest again this 670-80 area. And I would be happy to short this. To get to this area. You know, even better, even better, the 600 would be the best to come back. Annoying situation there. 770 and 80 were a great level, but this was some like news or whatever spike. We're breaking the 50 minutes range right now. Let's see if we want to close lower. It does look it wants to come back lower, guys. Wow, thank you so much, Trump. How do you like to get fucked? Yes, I like to be fucked by the market every day, whenever I can. Yeah, I'll look for shorts now, but I have to be. I just need to have an interesting candle for me to short. Like this 700, it's interesting, and I'm short right now. The 5 minutes candle closed at 700, so that makes it more interesting for us. Ah, piece of shit, take me out. One win today, good job, Andy. Very freaking good job, man. Happy to hear that. I want my people to win. Me? I'm gonna remove this. I entered the no only scalp at 700 there. Up 670. No, only scalp at 700 short here. And I'm looking to maybe short it again. Up 676. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful. 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 I'm just looking with the idea of what markets wants to do. We are in a retesting area right now here at 670. We spoke about it, but mostly I'm looking at the 600 to come down at 600. That's what I'm looking more. So if we come back at the opening range, this 50 minutes range to retest it, I would be happy to short again at 700. If it does not, it does not. At least I'm down only $130 on the day. That's a great day for the moment. If it wants to come back at 700, I would be happy to short. If it wants to do that. And it's doing it, and I'm missing it. Guys, oh no, this does not work for me. What the heck? Okay. Letilia, Quant Tower, but I'm having so much problem in this period with Quant Tower. I don't understand why. I don't think it's. I don't know. I have to really uninstall it and install it again. We'll short 720. I like that 720 area here too. So you trade all you? What do you mean by that, Leatile? Leatile, right? If I'm not spelling wrong your name. 9 for yeah, no, I'm not feeling bad. It's fine. It happens. Yeah, nothing about it, right? It is what it is. Honestly, I'm happy I had only 3 contracts in that short position at that moment. So I'm very happy for that. Could have been much worse. But I mean, I'm just down $76 right now. I'm looking with the short idea if it wants to keep going. Let's see. So I have to be. I'm just looking at the chart. If this 50 minutes range, it wants to be retesting and continue lower. Just evaluating the situation. Does it want to do it? Interesting. 720 is there for our Afonso. Wow. Okay. Thanks God I did not short the 700s. Thanks God I did not short the 700s. So freaking slow this quant hour today. But I'm so happy that in quant hour there is this. You can see it here. You see these red things? That's what I check every time if I have a delay. Here, you see 200, and I put it that it has to appear above 200 milliseconds. And now it's appearing a bit too many times. I'm gonna put short the 700 there. I like it. We're rejecting the range. And I will put as well 710 if he wants to come back. Wow. Beautiful. Come on, let's do it. Let's keep fighting. Let's keep fighting. 720. 720 was a beautiful short if you shorted Afonso. That was freaking nailed it there. That 720 you said was sexy as hell. Was sexy as hell. Man, you nailed it if you took the short there. That's it. It will try to continue lower. 710 were a choice, but I wanted to see it first if it wants to come back. Look, if it comes back at 700, I will short it again. But he has to come back at 700 to make me short. I think it's gonna be hard that this candle has strength to come back at 700s. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to reverse and get red. Stop loss already in break even. Personal opinion, no financial advice. From my point, it wants to come back and take these lows. These lows that were created here, I believe it wants to come back and take these lows. So it just came back, get some strength, and then now we don't have anything. If we start to break lower here, we're back inside this range, and it wants to come back to the lower range. 620 here were a big area. So this push as well is the push that came to make a new highs, and right now is coming back to take all these people out that during the news went long, take all them out, and then probably bounce from there at 600. So I would look for longs The moment we take these high with these lows, guys, the moment we take these lows, I will look for longs at 600. And if you go to the, I don't want to change the chart. Let me see if I can change it here to the, at least I don't have to. If we go to the daily chart, that's why I didn't want to, yeah, that's why I didn't want to change it in this main chart. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Welcome, by the way, everybody, new people. Here we do everything honest. We show everything, and we are disciplined people here. And that's what I preach. If you want to watch someone that does not blow up accounts every day, because none of us has here infinite money, and none of us here wants to waste money. And that, yeah, I'm that guy as well. You know, I stream and live stream, having fun with you guys, but at the same time, I'm very responsible for each penny I spend here. I would like to load the freaking daily chart, but it's not loading. So annoyed by this, but it's beautiful. Look, I think we're gonna come back to 600s. That's my honest opinion. 600s, and if we take these lows and we bounce to this area, I would be happy to look for longs at 600s. If we don't hold and we come back, then short are good as well. It's so interesting right now. That's my honest opinion of what it maybe wants to do is just this. Come back, take it, bounce 700, and bounce here. That's my opinion. Alfonso makes so much money that he's here just for fun. That's why he trains for the Ironman. Who trains for the Ironman, guys? Usually people that have already a lot of money. They don't have, and they can waste time to swim, cycle, and run. I'm just joking, by the way. Usually it's like that. Oh, you do Ironman? Fuck. Especially an Ironman is expensive. Like just to subscribe to run an Ironman, it's quite a few hundred euro. And then you need to have a bike, a good bike, because you're not gonna, of course, use a shitty bike to run an Ironman. You need good shoes because freaking hell, after all the biking and swimming, you don't want to run with shitty shoes that are gonna destroy you for 20 kilometers or 40 kilometers. You need the things to swim, the vest. You need a good one. You don't want to freeze inside the water having a shitty vest. Oh, 5K. Well, freaking hell, guys. Yeah, and as well, right, all the preparation and everything and pop. If you're gonna do it somewhere else, oh my god. She's always paying for his training. Alfonso, that's what you had to do. Why are you here trading? Garmin watch, that's true as well. That all that things to train properly and everything, you need it. Insane. The 650 are rejecting right now. 650, look at this. 650, 660 here. This is the area of support. No, sorry, resistance is support. That can be right now the resistance to continue the push lower. I still believe we're gonna go much lower, at the 600s at least. Because we took the highs, we want to come back and took some lows. And for the moment, we didn't take any lows. these lows here that are all this consolidation, and as well the consolidation before the push of the news. The news came out at 8.5, and all these people were buying before the news. They have the stop loss here. A 650 come out to be nice there. Oof. Interesting. That 650 is very interesting. If it comes back, if it wants to come back 650, I might look into it. That's a good one. It's already once or twice there. Once, a bit aggressive this one, but free. This is the first time it happened as well. Interesting. Yeah, it's looking for that. 587. It's looking, guys. It's coming. It's coming for it. Yeah, not easy to trade. Not easy to trade. That's not easy to trade, guys. These days, nothing is easy to trade, to be honest. So if in your execution you're doing the right things there, oh yeah, my God, you're doing amazing. I'm looking if I should short this 650s. But now it's really pushing it. Okay, 664, 670 is there. It's holding now. ES did not go lower that much compared to NQ. That's a nice, let's see. How many people were right now, guys? Remember, 80% off with Apex. I don't know how many days. I think 1 or 2 days. Let me see. How many days we have the promotion with Apex with 80% off? 2 days. So 3 days with today. 80%. That's my code. Thank you so much for the support. I set my TP at 20 today so I wouldn't get whispered, but with sent PA today, here we go. Back to the middle. Back to 6. I'm like, and 700s are here just above. What the heck? Ah, la, 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 la. What are we gonna do right now, market? What do you want to do? Yeah, I believe as well the same. We're just playing here. We're just playing. We're just playing on stopping out people and stuff like that, and we're still gonna go lower. That's what I think as well. But yeah, not financial advice. Always I have to say it before I get one day arrested. One day I will get arrested and it's gonna be all your fault, guys. This guy was telling me to short and he told me that it was a financial advice. No, it's not. It's not. You're shitty traders. That's why. Huh? I never told you to do something. Oh, yes, you have to, guys, so many times when we get in support a ticket, we get a tickets, for example, let's say there is a problem and a trader gets, unfortunately, something happens and the position gets closed by the system. Let's say, for example, the daily stop loss gets triggered somehow. This is an example. He contact us and he's like, yo, why I got stopped out? And be like, yeah, you're right. This should have not happened. We're going to reset you your loss on the day. But the best are the people that text you and be like, if you have not stopped me out, this trade would have been positive and I would be $2,000 in positive. And I'm like, yeah, if and would, I was as well, I had 2 wheels, I would be a bike. No, that freaking hell. How the heck you're gonna know you're gonna hold that position until take profit? I would have made $2,000. We're already restoring your loss of data. You were negative on the day, something happened in the system. We're restoring your loss. I would be a bike, you know? If my grandmother had 2 wheels, she would have been a bike. And if you know that video, guys, you know, super film. Oh, back at 700, guys, insane. Back at 700. That's interesting. That's so interesting right now. ES is pushing as hell. Let me remove this line. I need to have an opening print level for ES. This is opening print level. No, this is opening print level. Yes, we're above opening print level on ES. Insane. Insane. Unexpected, to be honest. So right now, what the heck I'm gonna look into it right now. 700s are still working out there. It's getting some resistance right now. I would love to short again for one more time 700s. Oof. I'm gonna try it again for 700. I'm gonna call myself out at 730. I'm gonna try again 700. Come on, market. Okay, make this candle green again. I'm fine with it. Make it green. Now we'll look. Struggling a lot on that 700s. Okay, I'm gonna put the 700. If I get filled, I get filled. No, no, 700. I missed it for the moment. Missed the 7. Oh, let's see. Let's see. It's creating probably a head and shoulder right now here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna remove the order. I'm gonna put it after I see this candle closing red. Gonna put it. I was a shorting and buying that. I don't know. Yeah, I was freaking buying. I didn't notice. Luckily, I noticed that I was in a buy because I was like, why I have a stop order instead of a limit order? Thanks God I noticed it. I'm not bullish yet neither. I'm still short. I'm looking for this to come back lower. If it wants to fill me lower. If it does not want. It was some peace and love. It's trying there to come back at 700s. Is it gonna do it? I don't freaking know. Maybe yes. Now it's gonna do it. Now it's gonna do it. Now I'm short. And now I'm short, guys. Wish you the best. Am I gonna get destroyed by this head and shoulder coming from for me? Yeah, good chance. Short in the 710 too. I'm short at 710. I'm gonna get destroyed by these. Take me out. Take me out. 710. Take me out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get destroyed by this trade and I'm probably gonna call it out, guys. I have to be careful. We're closing the candle. Oh, I'm gonna call it out. They're too strong, guys. I'm very careful right now. Candle closing right now. I'm out. Yeah. And kind of, bro, I kind of felt it. I was like, head and shoulder is coming. I felt it. I felt it. I felt it because I was like head, shoulder, head, shoulder. And I felt it. Breaking this, we're gonna be out. I felt it, guys. I felt it. Yeah, today, no, I saw it, but you know, I saw what you meant, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna follow it. It's just, I saw this head and shoulder, head, shoulder. Yeah. I knew, I read your 725 Kami, but I was like, fuck. Honestly, I should have noticed it because break, shoulder, break, come back, shoulder, the test of the area. I should have just knew it. Freaking knew it. And that's the funny thing is that you know there is something and you ignore it anyway, and you're like, ah. So probably I'm gonna call it like that, guys. $3,000 on hour. I'm fine. It's a good loss. On a day like this, where market is just playing with me, yeah, I'm fine. I can recover these days. 2 losing trades. It's fine. If there is something that is interesting, but for the moment, we're really back to bullish. We're outside the 50 minutes range, all this spike lower. Yeah. Sad life. I did this one, but no, really, if I go to the 1 minute chart, I don't want to go to the 1 minute chart, but really the fact that we had 1 push and 1. Okay, this draw is not the draw I wanted to do. Sorry, guys, but but you understood. Head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. That was definitely not the draw I wanted to make. What the fuck is this? Yeah, I could have done much better. We are what, in a balanced way? We lost $844. It's totally good. And right now I don't see anything special. I believe we're long now. We moved our bias back to long, just because that's was a bullshit way to come back down and hold it. So 720, 710 can be again now our retesting area or above. So I could have done much better today. This one I could have done much better. I could have done much better here. We're totally bullish right now. And I freaking felt it. I was like, these things are going higher right now. I felt it. Look at the 720 getting retested now. Coming lower. Wow. Look at this shit, guys. Yeah, I could have avoided these things. This was a reason for these things to bounce and continue higher. Gonna try to scalp that at 720 if it gets me. Wants to fill me. Or 730 at opening print level. I'm gonna try the 732. Yeah, I might stop soon, to be honest. But I'm taking this long at 730. I will be good. I will be good. Ooh, I will be good. I will be good. I will be good. I will be good. Oh, I will be good. 720 will come out to be right away nice, but 730 here, opening print level, beautiful. Na 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 na. You better wish me the best. You better do it, or I will find you. I will find you. I know where you live. I know where you live. I will get you. I will get you. Bring you 5 black men. Ooh. I mean, if yeah. Be careful, man. Be careful. Yeah, guys, calm down there, eh? I know each one of you want some pieces, but calm down. I cannot. You start to think about something. That's. We're gonna be all of us in Mexico, guys. We're gonna be all of us in Mexico, having fun with tomato. It's a diagonal trend line. It's like 85, somewhere here. Probably done. This is a beautiful. Pa 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 pa. Tomato from Mexico? Yes, he lives in Mexico. That boy lives in Mexico, guys. Tomato lives in Mexico. Yeah, we're coming back already here, 700. Pushing back. Where do you live in Mexico? In Cancun? Which area? The analysis is good, but it looks like gambling when you place trades, Milos. But good luck. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate your comment. We are all gamblers. We play a statistic game. You are gambling with trying to get an edge against the market. Whatever you think is the trade, you're gambling. A statistic game. The food, the people, the price. I love in Todos Santos. I live in Todos Santos, just north of Cabo. I really don't know where it is. Because I'm coming to Mexico in October. I believe I'm coming. That's what my head is telling me. Let me see what is the freaking hand. Milos, do you want 5 black guys in your house by tomorrow? But good luck. Live in Todos Santos. Todos Santos. Oh, you're in that Penny Island. Sounds weird, but Penny. How do you call it? Penny Island, Penny's Line, Penny. Whatever. Yeah, that corner of Mexico. That looks beautiful. No. We are not here to give good stuff, Mohammed. No. For Moroccan wives, the moment you get $200,000 of payout from Apex, that's the only things we can do that. Or from any pro firm. Can I find my wife in Mexico, Tomato? Probably not. That's. You pay 1,600 a month for health insurance. Oh my God. It's time to sell your children. Sell them. The market is very expensive right now. Yeah, I don't have exact rule. I do more for support and resistance area. That's what I scalp. This is the opening print level of the day, and the opening print level for me is a support area or resistance depending on the market. Then I evaluate the chart. Then, for example, this one was on a support area. This 770, 780. Unfortunately, it was a bit too much anticipating it. 50 minutes range did not close. This was 50 minutes range retest. And it worked out well. And here I had a good read of not taking this freaking second attempt because it was a head and shoulder coming out there. Just avoid it. So I got stopped out, called myself out. Then I'm like, okay, well, now we have to look for longs. We're outside, we're short is gone. We're inside the 50 minutes range. This thing wants to come back above. So it's just retesting somewhere. And the closest area is this is the opening print level we have. Yeah, 4 people. That makes it normal. Yeah, 740 here just above the opening print level, right? So if I look, for example, a scalp here right now, it's pushing. I will look it for around the opening print level, right? 740, 730, and I go for round numbers, 740, 730. I don't go for like partial numbers. I go for round numbers. Maybe not so bad for poor people, but you know what is the best? Is don't pay anything. Why your kids need to have teeth? Let's make them. They can drink soup every day. And that's it. They don't have to use their teeth. My parents, my grandparents, your grandparents never had dental things. So your children should as well keep the same things. Make them grow hard and strong. I mean, I believe many countries already have much better life than USA, for my point. For my personal opinion of a personal guy, not speaking of personal stuff. I passed almost a month in USA. Wow, I don't know how people can do that, to be honest. So expensive. And they like to spend. US people like to spend. US people like to spend more than what they have and what they earn. They like to use their credit cards as much as they can. They can be down on credit cards and be chill. If I'm down on the month on a credit card debt, I'm feeling like freaking hell. I have to eat white pasta for the next month to catch up on this expense. USA people can freaking live a life in debt, not feeling anything at all. I really noticed it when I was there in California and stuff like that. People spend, and I'm like, wow. Oops. Probably gonna call it, guys, and accept my loss for today. It's a good loss. $190. It's a good loss, to be honest. Yeah, I could have done better. I could have avoided this loss, especially. I could have freaking waited a little bit and be like, you know what, wait for this head and shoulder to decide if it's gonna work out or not. Then look for longs. Yeah, bullshit. Because if I'm long, then I'm long, and this was a winning trade on a long side, I'll be even more aggressive to take as well the 740 because I have a profit on the day, right? If I start on the day I'm red, then I have to be more cautious of taking better areas of scalps. If I max out my credit card, I can afford it. Insane. Insane. I swear to you, that's so freaking insane for me. It does not make sense. Really, it does not make sense. Guys, I'm gonna call it like that, and I'm gonna accept my loss of the day. $2,460 is a great loss. And if you're thinking, guys, to use my code in Apex, that's 80% off right now for the next 2 days and a half. It supports the channels. It supports me being here, live streaming every day. And yeah, showing everything. I don't hide any shit. I show everything. I'm right now fighting for my payout. Wait, I have to show you my balance for these days because I don't hide any shit. I'm not hiding any shit. So that's my accounts. That's my balance there, 50,604. That's the account where pushing for payout, and all the other accounts that were using the previous strategy are negative, but they catched up. We were down almost $300 to blow up the 50K accounts. Now they have $1,000 for drawdown, so something is working out there. So we just chill. And as you know, guys, I don't do shit. I don't over leverage, and I call myself out. I was short. I like the short idea until we went back about 740. We were closing above. I call myself out, and I think that's my best skill I have right now, is that I accept losses. I accept losses when I read wrongly the market. I'm not reading right the market. I'm out, and I think that is the best skill I have right now. And I'm capitalizing when I'm reading it correctly right here. When I'm not reading correctly, I'm good. I'm calling it out. It's a good loss. Tomorrow can have an easier trading day or just easy to catch up. That's fine. And come on, what's up? I love you all, guys. It's a beautiful day when you have followed your trades and your process, no matter which PNL you see. I'm down on the day, but it's a beautiful freaking day. I'm happy what I did today. I could have done better on some losses here. Yes, I could have done better, But overall, I'm very happy what I did. What's up, Uncommon? Where have you been? Yeah, and if it was not for the shitty Trump comment here, at least I would have lost not this amount. Probably, let's say I was free contracts. I would have probably lost it, call it somewhere here. I would have lost 132 instead of 250. I would have lost. I would have had $100 loss less, but it's okay. It's okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a good time. Love you all. Peace and love. See you tomorrow. Nice stream on Wednesday.